Let me show you how to design a magazine cover in Adobe Photoshop. Start by creating a new file, size 21 by 29.7 centimeters. Set the resolution to 200 and then press Create. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Let's use this green color as a background. Drag this photo to Photoshop. You can find the download link in the description below. Go to Select and choose Subject. Add a layer mask. Choose this layer. Click on this icon to create a new layer. Choose the Brush tool. Choose the Soft Round brush. Set the opacity to 100 and reduce the flow. Set the foreground color to this light green color. Follow this process. Choose the image layer. Now choose the Type tool, and let's write our text. Follow along these steps. Choose the white color. This is the font that I'm using. You can find every font I used in the description below. Follow these settings. Let's write the title of this magazine. To center the text vertically, go to Select and choose All, then click this icon to center it. When done, go back to Select and choose Deselect. Press Ctrl-T and let's scale it while holding the Shift button. Drag this text layer under the image layer. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Duplicate this layer like this. Drag this layer on top of the layers. Reduce the fill all the way to 0%. Now go to Layer Style and choose Stroke. Follow these settings. When you finish, press OK. Hold Ctrl and select the other text layer. Then click this icon to link them. Now select the top layer. We'll add the text right here. I've already prepared it, and I'll show you the fonts I used. Follow this process. This is the font that I'm using. Follow these settings. You can find every font I used in the description below. If you have any questions, write them below, and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Choose the Type tool and write another text, like I did right here. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. The text is already in place. I'll quickly show you the fonts I use for each one. If you have any questions, write them below, and I will reply to you as soon as possible. And for these as well, I use similar font styles to keep everything consistent. You can find every font I used in the description below. For these sections, I kept the font choices consistent with the layout. For the final step, we will add the barcode. Drag this photo to Photoshop. You can find the download link in the description below. Scale it while holding the Shift button. That's it. Hope you liked it. You can download all the PSD files from my tutorials on Patreon page for a small fee. It's a great way to support the channel and get all the project files in one place. Check the link in the description. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.